The following are common errors made when trying to determine whether a line has a slope that is positive, negative, zero, or undefined. The first error usually occurs in trying to determine the difference between a positive versus negative slope. A positive slope rises from left to right, as opposed to a negative slope which falls from left to right. So you can think about this as if you're climbing up a hill from left to right, then that's a positive slope, as opposed to going down a hill, which is negative. So positive going up the hill, negative going down the hill. Another way of thinking about it, or doing on a test or quiz, is to write your name on the line. If you are writing your name on the line and you are going uphill, then it is a positive slope. If you start writing your name and you have to write it going downhill, then that would be a negative slope. Another way to visualize it is running up a hill is a positive slope, as opposed to falling down or sliding down a hill, which is a negative slope. The other common error is mixing up a zero versus an undefined slope. A zero slope is a flat line or a horizontal line, whereas an undefined slope is a vertical line which goes straight up and down. One way of thinking about it is that a zero slope, it's very easy. It takes zero effort to walk along a nice straight line, as opposed to an undefined slope, which is very challenging to walk straight up a line. Using our method of writing your name, if it's very easy to write your name and you write it right across the line, it takes zero effort, as opposed to trying to write your name sideways up the side of a line, which is undefined and usually not how we write our name. Visualizing it, riding a bike along a nice smooth path is a zero slope and therefore there's no incline, as opposed to an undefined slope, maybe a rock climber going straight up the side of a hill.